This exercise is called the Copenhagen side plank. It's a fantastic way to strengthen the inner thigh, the adductors in the groin. We've got two versions, a bent knee and a lengthened leg. I'll show you both within the same video. So we need a bench to set ourselves up on. We're going to put knee and heel in a straight line. Then we want knee, hip and shoulder in a straight line also. I'm coming into a little side plank here. Knee, hip, shoulder, stay in a straight line, rib cage is down. And then I'm going to think about drawing the bottom knee up towards the top leg. I'm getting an isometric contraction on the top thigh and then a proper workout on the bottom side. So that's the bent leg version. For the long leg version, we're just keeping the toe and the heel in a straight line. We've got heel, knee, hip, shoulder in a straight line, and we're coming up into that full extended plank. We can start by holding that isometric contraction, and then if you've got space under the bench, you can add the leg lift or just do it with the bent knee. So we've got a slider lateral lunge here. We're going to be working on the standing leg. So again, we want to think about this as a one-legged squat. So I've got ankle, knee and hip staying nicely stacked. I'm going to soften the knee to start and keep my nose over the toes throughout. The other side here is going to slide out as far as I can. I'm keeping the leg straight, toes facing forward and knee stacked nicely over the ankle, and then I pull back in and stand up tall. So I hinge, I slide out, letting the knee sink as low as I can. I slide back in and I stand back up tall. Try and keep the shoulders nicely over the top of the hips and make sure that we're not rounding the back and sinking to the floor as we go. So we've got a slider lateral lunge here. We're going to be working on the standing leg. So again, we want to think about this as a one-legged squat. So I've got ankle, knee and hip staying nicely stacked. I'm going to soften the knee to start and keep my nose over